You recently stepped into the national debate over abortion access when a clip of you speaking at an event made the rounds on social media via an RNC account. And in it, you say,
there is no such thing as a heartbeat at 6 weeks.
There's no such thing as a heartbeat at 6 weeks. It is a manufactured sound designed to convince people that men have the right to take control of a woman's body. And a later comment from your team said that the video clip cut off before you said 6 weeks is too soon for many people to even know that they're pregnant, let alone like be in a doctor's office, getting an ultrasound. Now, medical experts agree with you that the heart tones one can hear at an ultrasound appointment do not constitute a heartbeat as we commonly think of it in a child or an adult. But much of the broader public isn't on that same page. This debate about facts really frustrates me. How do you navigate that?
I was sitting on the stage of a college campus with college students who were using information that had been provided by the state that was wrong. So the first responsibility, not simply as a politician, but as a person who has taught college, is that the only way to confront misinformation is with actual fact. Every fragment of my message was actually quite accurate.